Mug warmer, Cosori coffee warmer, gravity induction coffee cup Warmer&Beverage warmer for desk, auto shut off, LCD display with temperature setting, water, cocoa, milk, 2020 upgraded. Keep beverages warm, designed in California. Keep your coffee or tea tasting fresh for hours with Cosori's automatic coffee warmer. By maintaining the heat in your drinks, you can skip time-consuming microwave trips and focus on your work. Gravity Induction Technology. When you lift your drink off the coffee warmer, the warmer will stop producing heat until you place your cup back on the surface. Customized temperatures. Adjust the surface temperature of the coffee warmer from 77 degrees 194 degrees Fahrenheit 25 degrees centigrade 90 degrees centigrade to maintain the perfect warmth for any beverage. Heat your drink to temperatures as hot as 131 degrees Fahrenheit 55 degrees centigrade. Various uses. The coffee warmer is great at melting chocolate for homemade treats or melting cheese for a dish, and it can even function as a candle warmer to fill the room with pleasant scents. Digital display. The LCD display on the coffee warmer shows the immediate surface temperature, so you know exactly when it's hot enough to heat your drink. Automatic shut-off. The coffee warmer automatically shuts off after 8 hours of activity, or if your cup is removed for more than 60 seconds, so you never have to worry about whether you remembered to turn it off. High performance. With a rated power of 24W, the Cosori coffee warmer raising temperatures quickly to better maintain the heat of your coffee and tea. A great gift. The coffee warmer is a great gift for friends and family members who work with a mug of tea or coffee always at their desk. With its input of 100-240 V, the warmer is compatible with power outlets all over the world. Included components, user manual X1. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.